Yes, Arun.
Good morning, everybody. It was a pleasure actually doing a birding, that too with a very cloudy weather, with rain expectation, but yet we were able to spot a lot of birding. Presently, we are at Chidiyatapu. Chidiyatapu, as the name speaks, is the land of birds. Since our childhood, we have been seeing a lot of birds, but as being a child, we were not able to identify. Now things have changed. We have come up with our own bird dictionaries, bird books, and everything, and a lot of things have come up to our knowledge now. So today with Sir, we have come to the Chidiyatapu Biological Park, which is a park maintained and developed by the Forest Department of Andaman and Nicobar Island. We have done some beautiful spotting of some endemic birds and some birds which are even here and in mainlands. So with the list we'll go. We have spotted very commonly red-whiskered bulbul and the beautiful red-cheeked parakeets, which were also called as long-tailed parakeets, white-breasted kingfisher, glossy swiftlet, Andaman drongo, which is an endemic species, racket-tailed drongo, and not an endemic, but we see a lot of them here. Andaman white-headed starling, which is very common shorebird. Black-naped oriole we see in mainlands also, but we do have a good sighting of Andaman things also. Green pigeon. It was a delight to see beautiful Andaman green pigeon and Andaman green imperial pigeon. Other than that, Asian fairy bluebird. It's a beautiful. We can say the voice is very much to a cartoon character.
Right.
Emerald dove. Andaman little green heron. Andaman little green heron is a very a subspecies of a green heron. Stroke-billed kingfisher, just right now in front of you.
We just saw it.
It's a beautiful stroke-billed kingfisher. We have another sighting there also. We can say that is the largest kingfisher available in this island, and I think it is in India. It is the largest one. Andaman serpent eagle. Yes, definitely we can see two of them flying up with a beautiful voice of their hunt prey and all. Rest of that, yes. Other than this, we have a lot of other birds which can be spotted here. That is glossy starling, which is presently not here due to the season. Other Andaman white-bellied sea eagle, which is the biggest raptor we are available with.
Okay. So one sec. Yeah. Okay. Thanks.